Hey guys, today we have this Honda Civic sideswipe that's been badly damaged across the rear door and quarter panel. Behind the door, there's also damage on the dogleg body lock area. We're going to be replacing the rear door with a salvage one and repairing this quarter panel. Let's get the door off so we can get started on the repair. I'm going to start off by restoring this edge that meets up with the door. I'll start by welding a series of uni-keys along the edge, then giving it a controlled pull with the pulling tower. With tension from the tower, I'll hammer on the crowns to release the damage. I'll test fit my door and check the gap to see if it's even. You can see here the gap isn't perfect yet. I'll rinse and repeat the step until I'm happy with it. Then I'll move on to the metalwork. On this quarter panel, there are two curved body lines. I'll use my body line tool and pencil to mark them. Then I'll weld wiggle wire onto the low areas and give them a pull. Now to pick up the rest of the low areas with the maxi. With the metalwork complete, I'll give it a coat of body filler. I'm using Rage Optex made by Evercoat. This stuff goes on pink, and when it's dry it turns to a light gray color. It's really good stuff and very easy to sand. Here's the final product. I finished this with a coat of metal glaze finished in 220 grit. And now it's going into the booth ready for paint. Now to reassemble the vehicle. And it's complete. Hope you guys enjoyed that video.